How to use Bertuetti Simplex Moulder. Powering on the machine. Switch on the main power supply. Once the white indicator light is illuminated, the machine is receiving power. Release the emergency stop button if it's engaged. Press the start button to begin operation. Feeding dough portions. Place dough portions onto the blue feeder conveyor belt. The dough will pass through the cylinders and between the moving belts, where it will be processed and rolled. Adjusting cylinder height. The adjustment handle on the left-hand side controls the cylinder height. Increasing or decreasing the cylinder gap changes how much the dough is flattened before entering the rolling section. This adjustment also affects the tightness of the final product and number of coils formed during rolling. Adjusting top belt position. The adjustment on the right-hand side controls the position of the upper belt. Changing upper belt position affects the final length and shape of the product. Disengaging the upper belt. The upper belt can be disengaged by releasing the pneumatic cylinder. When disengaged, the upper belt will stop moving. This can be useful when pre-flattening dough pieces or preventing dough from rolling too tightly. Proper adjustment will depend on the dough type and dough weight. To restore normal operation, push the cylinder back into position. The upper belt will resume movement automatically. Fine-tuning the belt gap. The black hand wheel is used to make fine adjustments to the gap between the upper and lower belts. Use this adjustment if additional clearance is required after setting the belt opening with the main adjustment handle. Additional space may be needed when working with the dough that is tight or firm, slightly dried on the surface, or requiring a tighter or looser seal. Adjustment directions. Turn the hand wheel towards the minus symbol to increase the gap between the belts. Turn the hand wheel towards the plus symbol to decrease the gap between the belts. Support plate position. When the machine is not in use, the support plate can be folded down to save space. To lower the plate, lift the plate slightly to release the side hinges. Fold the plate downward into the storage position. To return the plate to the operating position, lift the plate upward and lower it to the locked operating position. Safety features. While the machine is running, the operator side safety bar can be activated using either hands or legs. Pull the safety lever downwards to stop the machine immediately. A second emergency stop button is located on the main control panel below the start button. Product discharge options. The machine can be operated by one or multiple operators. Multiple dough portions can be fed continuously or individually as required. In the standard configuration, rolled products exit from the opposite side of the machine and fall onto the support plate, returning products to the operator side. For single operator use, products can be directed back to the feeder side of the machine. To open the return chute, pull both black handles outward. The chute will open, allowing products to return beneath the feeder conveyor onto the support plate. To close the return chute, push both black handles back in. Ensure the chute is fully closed before resuming operation. Cleaning. Clean the feeder conveyor belt using a dry or slightly damp cloth. The rolling pins can be accessed for cleaning by lifting the plastic safety guard. Achieving the desired product shape. Final product shape and consistency will vary depending on the dough weight, proving time, pre-shaping dough, whether the dough has been pre-flattened, the direction in which the dough is fed into the rollers, cylinder height settings, and upper belt position settings. Adjustment to these parameters will affect the final length, tightness, and appearance of the finished product.